Hello, everyone, and welcome back to SoftSpeak English, where every conversation helps you grow. I'm Mia.
Hello, Mia. Hello, everyone. I'm Leo.
How are you today, Leo?
Honestly, a little frustrated.
Frustrated? That's not like you. What happened?
Nothing happened, really. That's the problem. I've been studying English for months. I watch videos, I listen to podcasts, I write down new words every single day. But I still feel like nothing is changing.
You feel stuck.
Exactly, stuck. I'm doing everything right, but my English doesn't feel any better than it did 3 months ago.
Leo, I'm really glad you said that today, because that is exactly our topic. Leo, I'm really glad you said that today, because that is exactly our topic.
Oh? What are we talking about?
Today we're talking about why English stops improving, even for people who are trying really hard, and more importantly, how to fix it.
Wait, so this isn't because I'm lazy or bad at languages?
No, not at all. Most learners who feel stuck are not lazy. They study, they watch, they take notes. But there are 5 very common reasons why all that effort doesn't turn into real progress. And today, we're going through all 5, with a simple fix for each one.
5 reasons and 5 fixes. Okay, I need this. Let's go.
But first, a small request.
Yes, if you're enjoying this podcast, please tap the like button.
And subscribe to SoftSpeak English.
And share this episode with a friend who's learning English too.
Thank you so much. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
We love our listeners.
Okay, Leo, let's start with a picture in your mind. Imagine a gym.
Okay, I'm imagining it.
Every single day, you go to this gym. You walk in, you sit down, and you watch other people lift weights. You watch videos about how to lift correctly. You read articles about proper form. You even take notes.
But I never touch the weights myself.
Exactly. Would you get stronger?
No, I'd know a lot about lifting, but my muscles wouldn't change at all.
That's reason number 1. Many English learners are doing exactly this. They consume English, but they don't produce English.
Consume and produce. What's the difference?
Consuming is watching, listening, reading, taking English in. Producing is speaking, writing, putting English out. Your brain needs both, not just one.
Okay, be honest with me, Mia. When was the last time I produced English? Like, actually spoke it out loud, not just listened.
That's the question every listener should ask themselves right now. If you can't answer quickly, that's the first sign.
I watch videos almost every day, but speaking out loud? Maybe not this week.
And that's very, very common. The fix is simple, though. Every day, produce something. 1 paragraph, 5 sentences, 3 minutes of speaking alone in your room.
It doesn't need to be perfect?
Not even a little. It just needs to happen, because production is where real learning lives.
Reason 1. I'm consuming, but not producing. Fix it. Speak or write something every single day.
Perfect, Leo. Reason number 2. And this one surprises a lot of people.
Okay, hit me.
You are always learning new things, but never going back to review the old things.
Wait, isn't learning new things good?
It feels good, yes. New feels exciting. You learn 10 new words today and you feel productive. But here's what's happening quietly in your brain. It's forgetting.
Forgetting? Already?
There's something called the forgetting curve. Researchers discovered it more than 100 years ago. Without review, we forget about 70% of new information within 24 hours.
70%? In one day?
Gone. So if you're always chasing new vocabulary but never reviewing, it's like filling a bucket that has a hole in it.
You pour and pour, but the water keeps leaving.
Exactly, Leo. That's a perfect way to put it.
So, what's the fix?
Spaced repetition. When you learn something new, review it the next day, then 3 days later, then 1 week later, then 1 month later.
Do I need an app for that?
Not at all. A simple notebook works perfectly. Write the word, write the date, and come back to it.
So, review isn't boring. It's actually how I own the language.
That's it exactly.
Reason 2. I'm always learning new things and never reviewing old ones. Fix it. Use spaced repetition. Go back, review.
Reason number 3. And Leo, I think this one might be familiar to you too.
Uh-oh.
You are waiting to feel ready before you speak.
Okay, that's very familiar.
Tell me honestly, have you ever said, "I'll start speaking when my English is better"?
Mia, I say that to myself almost every week.
I understand completely. Speaking feels scary. What if I make a mistake? What if I forget a word in the middle of a sentence?
Exactly that. What if someone laughs?
But here's the truth nobody tells you enough. You will never feel ready. Readiness doesn't come before speaking. It comes from speaking.
So the confidence I'm waiting for
Is hiding inside the very thing you're afraid to do. Every time you open your mouth, even quietly, even alone, even with 10 mistakes in one sentence, your mouth is learning. Your brain is learning. Your confidence is growing.
even when it doesn't feel like it.
Even then, so the fix isn't to wait. It's to speak before you feel ready. Start small. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe what you see around you out loud. Record a voice message to nobody.
A voice message to nobody?
Just speak. Because waiting isn't preparing. Waiting is just waiting.
Reason 3. I'm waiting to feel ready before I speak. Fix it. Speak now. Confidence comes after, not before.
Reason number 4. This one is about what you're watching and listening to.
What do you mean?
If you're a beginner watching advanced English shows, fast speech, complex vocabulary, your brain gets overwhelmed. It can't process fast enough. It shuts down. You stop learning and you just start surviving the listening.
Yeah, that happens to me with some movies. I just give up and read the subtitles in my own language.
Right. But here's the other side. If everything you watch is too easy, your brain gets comfortable, and comfort doesn't create growth.
So it's not too hard, not too easy. What is it then?
Language researchers call it I+1. Your current level is I, and the best input is just one step above that. Not 10 steps, one step.
Challenging enough to stretch me, but simple enough that I still understand most of it.
Exactly. Find content that's about 80% understandable. That's the sweet spot where your English grows fastest.
So I should ask myself, is what I'm watching just right? Or is it way too hard and I'm just hoping something sticks?
That's the honest question to ask.
Reason 4. My input is too hard or too easy. Fix it. Find content that's around 80% understandable and stay there for a while.
And now, reason number 5, the last one, and maybe the most important.
Okay, I'm ready.
You are not being consistent. You are being intense.
Mia, are you reading my diary?
Tell me what happens.
Okay, fine. Sometimes on Saturday, I study for 4 hours. Sunday, too, maybe 3 hours. I feel amazing, like I'm unstoppable.
And then Monday comes.
And then life comes. Work, things to do. I study 0 minutes. Then I feel guilty. And then I avoid it because feeling guilty feels bad.
And then the whole cycle starts again.
And then the whole cycle starts again.
Because I've seen it so many times, Leo. But here's what your brain actually needs. Small doses, daily. 15 minutes today, 15 minutes tomorrow, 15 minutes every day for a month.
That doesn't sound like much.
But do the math. 15 minutes a day for 30 days is 7.5 hours of practice, done quietly, consistently, without drama. Compare that to one big, intense weekend that leaves you exhausted, followed by nothing for 2 weeks.
Consistency wins.
Always. Because language isn't a test you study for once. It's a skill you build slowly, day by day. Like a muscle you train again and again until it becomes natural.
Reason 5. I'm being intense instead of consistent. Fix it. 15 minutes every day beats 4 hours once a week. Every time.
Okay, Leo, let's put it all together. Are you ready for the full review?
Ready.
Reason 1.
Consuming but not producing. Fix it. Speak and write every day.
Reason 2.
Learning new things without reviewing old ones. Fix it. Spaced repetition. Go back. Review.
Reason 3.
Waiting to feel ready before speaking. Fix it. Speak now. Confidence comes after, not before.
Reason 4.
Input that's too hard or too easy. Fix it. Find content that's about 80% understandable.
And reason 5?
Being intense instead of consistent. Fix it. 15 minutes every day, every single day.
You remembered all 5, Leo.
Honestly, Mia, at least 2 of these sounded exactly like me.
And that's actually good news, because now you know, and knowing is the first step to changing.
I'm not stuck forever. I'm just stuck right now.
And right now can change, starting today. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to SoftSpeak English.
Please subscribe to SoftSpeak English if you haven't already.
And give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend who's been feeling stuck with their English too. And we have a question for you today.
Thank you so much for listening to SoftSpeak English.
Please subscribe to SoftSpeak English if you haven't already.
And give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend who's been feeling stuck with their English too.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, out of these 5 reasons, which one sounds the most like you right now? Reason 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to read your answers.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo.
From SoftSpeak English. Keep going, keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.